A very good morning, students. In last session, we have covered about first part of second unit that was related to segmentation, market segmentation. Basically, market is divided in three types. It means it is divided in three parts. First is segmentation, second is targeting, and third is positioning. So, second session is related to the targeting the market. Targeting, what it is? It is the process of evaluating each identified market segment attractiveness and selecting which segments to enter. It means when segmentation is performed, after segmentation, they have to find out which segmentation report is more attractive, which can give the benefit to company, which can give the accurate result of company, which can generate more profit. That is attractiveness, and they will select out of all segments in which they have to enter. It means which segment they have to follow. Firstly, company will take report from different salesperson. They will give the report how to enter in a segmentation, and after all, they will decide which segment is best. So, targeting will depend on two steps. First one is evaluating the segment. Second one is selecting the segment. So there are many factors on the basis of company can evaluate it is attractive or not, it is suitable or not, it is feasible or not. First one is size of segment. It means which segment they have provided. It means which a group of people they have followed. It is for 100 people, 1000 people, 10,000 people. Like in on the basis of sample report, they will decide it is good or bad. Take the best example of election system. All news channels are giving their surveys, and surveys are on the basis of sampling. They are taking 1000 people reviews, 2000 people reviews. It means that much size will be bigger, the report will be this much good. So size of segment is also matter. On the basis of that, we can define it is attractive or not. Second is growth prospect in the segment. It means how many number of chances are there in income level of company it will be increased. How much chances are there your business will be expand. How much chances are there you will grow in the market. And third is accessibility of segment. Accessibility means to say it we can assess it is feasible for a company or business or not. If segmentation report present that we need to spend 40 lakh rupees for producing the same segmentation, and we cannot afford this much amount for a business, in that case it is useless, it is not attractive for our business environment. So it should be accessible, it should be feasible to use in the business environment. Fourth one is nature of product being produced. It means it also depend upon the nature of product, which type of products a company want to produce, and how it is feasible for a producing company, how it is beneficial for a production company. And next is resources of company, on the basis of which company resources it is prepared. We have to check that all the resources we can provide that will be fit in your company or not. Like segmentation is done on the basis of latest technology system, but we are having the previous one technology machinery. In that case, the segmentation cannot be fitted in our environment. We need to spend more and more money for that. So if the segmentation fulfill the above criteria, then they will select, otherwise they will deny. So the nature of product, resources of company, it would largely determine the number of segment to enter. So next is selecting the segment. How to select? After evaluating, after preparing the final report, the marketer has to decide as which segment to enter, which segment is beneficial. He might find many segment lucrative, but the selection criteria will depend upon the above mentioned factor. All factors will be involved like size, nature, type, accessibility, growth. So the decision related to this strategy will again depend upon the nature of product, resources of organization, strategy that the top management want to adopt, and some of the company may also think an individual customer as a complete segment, like that is known as individual marketing. And some may consider the whole market as one segment, that is also known as mass marketing. We will study in detail also. In between lies the differentiated marketing and concentrated marketing. So we will discuss different strategies and we will try to understand them. So different types of strategies are followed in marketing target. First one is undifferentiated marketing. Second is differentiated marketing. Third one is concentrated marketing. And fourth one is individual marketing. Other names are also given. Undifferentiated mean to say mass marketing. Differentiated mean to say segment based marketing. Concentrated means single segment marketing and individual means micro marketing. So let's discuss now. First one is undifferentiated marketing. Undifferentiated strategy in which there is no differentiation. There is no different product for everyone. As the name indicates, the marketer under this category make a single marketing plan for the product. Everybody will use the same product. It will be used by all customer, same product. There is no differentiation on the basis of age, on the basis of income level. He consider that the whole market as one segment and sell his product to everyone without differentiating. The best example is also there like steel. Steel cannot be differentiated. Cement cannot be differentiated. Sugar cannot be differentiated. Salt cannot be differentiated. So follow this type of strategy to the target market. Here the nature of product is such that he will have to follow mass marketing. It means a bulk of production is there. There is no differentiation and it is also a cost effective method. Because it is undifferentiated marketing, there is no differentiation of product, there is no need to make different category products. That's why the strength of this strategy is that it lies in its being cost effective manner. Next is differentiated strategy, that is costly technique. In this strategy, the firm decide to segment the market in subparts and then design the separate product for different people. It means the company has some time to offer to every segment it decide to enter. Like this type of strategy is generally applied in case of ready-made garments or shoe market. Like it depends upon children, teenage or adults. And also in case of airlines like economic class, business class. But the differentiated marketing also means more cost because they have to make different products for different people. So they need to spend more money. That's why it is not a cost effective market, it is a costly market. You need to spend more money as the company has to make a separate product for each segment. Next is concentrated market, that is also known as single segment market. In this strategy, marketers select only one single segment out of various segments available. It means different segmentations are there, but they will produce only a specific segment. The reason is only that the segment is untouched, has less competition. It means competition is very less. Like the example is also given, equipments that are prepared for disabled person, western wear for Indian ladies. This strategy is followed when the resources are very limited, and the company that serves as a single segment, it assumes that a strong position in market because of great understanding of consumer needs of the segment it serves. It means company think that they are producing separate product. It is very less competitive product and we can sell it very easily and a number of people will buy the same product. That is known as concentrated marketing strategy. And last one, that is individual marketing, in which a individual person demand is fulfilled. Individual marketing referring the product that is suited to the specific need of specific individual. It is done to satisfy the need and the preferences of individual customer. That is also known as one-to-one market or customized market. So in digital marketing, it can range from class such as barber. The best example is the barber example. That person is giving different haircut according to the planning of different customer. So same type of haircut is not preferred for everyone. He will give service according to the customer requirement. Another example is architect. Architect is planning for village for his clients on different architecture he is providing. Unlike mass production, individual marketing aims at building relationship with customer. Individual marketing is becoming more and more important and acceptable now these days. Like narrow like paint, it allows you to create your own shade for your home. For your home, you can mix up different shade and you can make your own preference shade. That is also known as individual marketing. So in this session, we have covered about market targeting. In market targeting, we have firstly defined what is market target. Afterward, we have defined how to select the target and how to finalize the target and what are the condition. Afterward, we have discussed about different strategies that are followed in case of market targeting. Four policies are there. First one is undifferentiated, that is also known as mass marketing. Second is differentiated, that is different for different people, it is a costly strategy. Concentrated, It means they will follow on a specific product that is less competitive. And fourth one is individual marketing, that is for the person in which an individual service is provided for different people. They have to satisfy the different demand for different person. So this chapter is covered after this part. In next session we will meet with next part, that is positioning. If you are facing any problem, you can contact me on my WhatsApp number. It is 999 111 8890. So thank you. Have a nice day for this session.